You're not tired because life is hard. You're tired because your whole day is built wrong. Most people blame laziness or weak discipline. That's the trap. When your system is broken, even simple things feel heavy. You wake up already behind. So you tell yourself you need a massive life reset. And that's exactly where people quietly destroy their future, waiting for a dramatic transformation while their health, confidence, and chances slip away. Japan solved this with habits so small they look silly. But they're hidden systems that control your energy, focus, and self-respect. Here are 8. 1. Kaizen. Stop trying to rebuild your life overnight. Your brain sees a huge plan and says, absolutely not. That's why people quit. Kaizen means one tiny improvement a day. Don't clean the whole room, pick up one shirt. One shirt becomes momentum. The person who fixes everything collapses. The person who fixes one thing daily becomes dangerous. 2. Ikigai. Find why your effort matters. Without a reason, every task feels heavier. With one, effort changes shape. You're not working late, you're buying your freedom. Ask, what do I enjoy? What am I good at? What do people come to me for? What creates value? Your direction lives where those overlap. 3. Hara Hachibu. Stop eating until your brain shuts off. Eat to 80% full. Your stomach signals full late, so eating fast turns extra food into mental fog. Halfway through, pause. Am I still hungry, or just eating because it's there? That pause saves your whole afternoon. 4. Shinrin Yoku. Your brain wasn't built to live inside a screen. Switching from laptop to phone isn't rest, it's just changing the noise. Take 10 minutes outside. No headphones, no scrolling. If it feels boring, that's not boredom. That's withdrawal from overstimulation. 5. Wabi-sabi. Perfection is fear in a nice suit. You delay because it isn't ready. Avoid posting because it isn't perfect. Life is always a little unfinished. That draft is usable. That workout still counts. Perfection freezes you. Wabi-sabi lets you keep going. 6. Gammon. Stop making every discomfort a drama. The task takes 10 minutes. The story you tell about it steals 3 hours. Name the discomfort. This is boring. Then do it anyway. You're training your nervous system to stop panicking every time life asks for effort. 7. Omoyari. Your life gets harder when you create friction. Interrupting, showing up late, leaving small messes. It costs trust, energy, opportunities. Before you act, ask, does this make someone's life easier or harder? That one question can rewrite your reputation. 8. Kintsugi. Stop hiding the parts of you that broke. Repair pottery with gold and the crack becomes beautiful. Your mistakes aren't your identity, they're information. What broke? What did it teach you? The strongest people aren't untouched, they got rebuilt. Japan doesn't rely on motivation. That's why these work. Don't change your whole life tonight. Pick one habit. Use it today, not someday. Because your life collapses through tiny repeated mistakes, and it rebuilds the exact same way. If this made you realize your system is the real problem, subscribe. Then go watch my other videos on how these habits change your body and energy.